So hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle content. So today we are going to do a cooking video. It's been a while since we cooked and we are going to cook pilau, the Swahili way of cooking pilau. So I'm going to start by boiling my meat, and I have put like a half cup of water and my 3/4 kgs of mbuzi. You can use any kind of meat at this case. Anything is fine, like anything edible is fine. So I'm going to let it boil for about 15 minutes because it's really very soft. Once it comes to a completely boil, I'm going to drain the stock because I'm going to use the same water when I'm cooking the pilau. Once it's completely dry, I'm going to start in by adding my cooking oil, and I'm just using normal vegetable cooking oil for my pilau. The choice of oil is very fine. You can use any kind of oil that you choose to cook with. I'm going to add an onion, roughly chopped onion. Some use white onion, which is still fine. You can use white onion. I'm going to let it completely cook until it becomes soft. I'm going to add is my garlic and ginger paste. Remember how we did our garlic and ginger paste? I have a video that I'll be linking it down below on how you can actually make your garlic and ginger paste and have your meals very fast compared to pounding garlic and ginger paste every time you cook. So next I'm going to add my pilau mix, and this is my homemade pilau mix, and I'll also be sure to leave a link of that down in the description box below. I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons of the pilau mix. Give it a stir. At this point you have to be very quick so that your sufuria don't get burnt. Next I'm going to add in my cumin seeds. I love the smell of cumin seeds in pilau. So I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons also of cumin seeds. Remember our stock that we drained? I'm going to add that in. So the amount of water that I'm going to use when doing or rather when cooking this pilau is the same amount of rice I used. My hubby loves potatoes in pilau, so I'm going to make that. I'm going to dip like 5 potatoes in the pilau. Then I'm going to add the remaining cups of water. Adding some salt to taste. I'm going to cover it and let it come to a completely boil. Once it boils, I'm going to add in my rice. So I'm going to give it a stir, then I'm going to cover it and let it completely dry up. Ten minutes later, it has completely dried up, and this is how it looks. I'm going to put it on my oven, and I'm going to switch off my oven. I'm going to set it about 15 minutes of 180 degrees, with top stove being the dominant heat. I'm going to put it in there. So right now it's dry, and this is how it looks like. Like my rice soaked completely. I like my rice, or rather I love my pilau when it is you're able to actually see grains one by one grains. Yani kwa ufupi haijashikana, sio kama ugali. So this is how we love our Swahili pilau down at the coast. So I'm just going to plate it. You can actually skip the potatoes if you're not a fan of potatoes, and just remember I did not use any tomato for my pilau. But if you like your pilau to have tomatoes, that is well and good. But for a Swahili pilau, we don't do any tomato. The only tomato that we do is the kachumbari. So I'm going to just put in my kachumbari. I'll be sure to leave a link of how I make my kachumbari down in the description box. It's very simple. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly please subscribe. And for all those who have subscribed and keep on returning, thank you so much for clicking. So until the next video, bye.